The fourth human element that we talk about in Humanize is being courageous. And that's obviously not something that you hear about when you're talking about organizations being courageous. What does that mean? Well, it means being able to have a learning culture at the cultural level. So being able to realize that it's okay not to know everything about everything and to kind of bake in processes for learning all the time. At the structural level, it's about experimentation, and that's the same kind of thing. So, do you have written in your staff's job descriptions that they can experiment with what they do, in their work? Is that part of how they work, is to use a lot of that experimentation to have new ideas? At the individual behavior level, being courageous is actually about personal development. So every individual on your staff should be able to learn new things as they do their work. And honestly, it's also about booting people out who aren't interested in personal development. If somebody's not interested in growing individually, then how can your organization grow?